Hey, welcome back. Wanted to give a little recap, follow up on my video yesterday. We're talking about Collector's Universe. There was a buyout offer around $75. And so I was talking about really if you buy it, there was almost no risk. Worst case, you might lose a couple pennies if it went through. But this morning, after the deal had gotten to the end of, possible acquisition, they changed their offer. So you can see the jump here from yesterday trading about 77 to this morning around 91. It looks like we closed at 91.75. So just wanted to walk through kind of the filing that we saw. So they were supposed to release earnings in a couple of weeks, but it looks like they did a little bit of a pre-announce here. So they expect revenues around $35 million. They have gross margins of 64%. This is one thing that they said in their actual forward-looking statements before, that gross margins might go down, but it seems like they're still pretty strong. And so all around was pretty good results. And then down here you see about the tender offer. So this is where they basically say that they're giving a best and final offer at $92. And this one is going to be extended through February 3rd. So let me see, that is 2 weeks away. So not sure if this will go through. Not sure if I'm planning on tendering or what I want to do. One super interesting thing is I was looking through the SEC filing here, and it basically shows the amount of shares that tendered in the last offer. It was only like 4%, and they needed 50%. So not that many people were going for that $75 deal, which is pretty funny. And then I want to go out here on Twitter, and I've been looking at some tweets and stuff, and this is 50 votes. I have no idea who this guy is, but he's asking what we think the share price will be if we fail the tender offer. And so he's fall below 90, stay right near 92, rise above 100. I voted if they rise above 100, just because I think all the pro forma analysis shows that Collector's Universe is going to keep growing, and in the market we're in, everybody just loves these sort of story stocks. So I don't see a big risk in this at all. I probably will just keep my stock and see what happens over the next 2 weeks. If we close at 92, great. I think I end up making overall. I made around 20% on, in my opinion, a zero risk trade. If it fails and we don't take the buyout offer, I'm okay actually holding this company for a foreseeable future, just because I see what's happening with collectors' cars on YouTube. I kind of mentioned, I've been watching some people open up Pokemon cards. It's all about PSA 10, PSA 10. This is the brand that people want to submit to. There's a huge backlog. The prices went up as far as getting your cards graded. So I think it's a good hold for a long term. I don't know if I'd want to hold as big of a position, so I might lighten up a little bit. But I'll think about it over the next 2 weeks. At least, we're going to be pegged here for 2 weeks, and I think about it, and I see what other people end up saying. Yeah, this is another person. This is not me, but another David. He's saying 120 to 130. A lot of interesting stuff could happen here. It's possible that another group comes in and wants to do a buyout. I've seen that, competing offers. The thing is the offer price is less than $1 billion. When you think about something like StockX, he mentioned StockX here, would probably go public at $2 to $3 billion. And I get it, like they're different businesses, but they're in the same sort of ecosystem. So they kind of like Collectors Universe sort of supports the whole collectible industry. So, anyways, just wanted to give an update on what happened. I guess we'll do a follow up in 2 to 3 weeks whenever we find out if the next buyout goes through, or if there's something that happens between then. I'll post another video. I think rest of this week, a couple of SPAC trades I'm looking at, so maybe do a video about that. We'll just have to see how much time I have. So with that, again, not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just talking through what I'm thinking about. So